Since it's jazzy or backtrack, we'll try this one. Don't take a lost and found. You won't find love just lying around. You can look all over for a four-leaf clover, but you won't find love that way. You're gonna run right into him harder one day. I just keep it, ignore the weepers. They give up on love too soon. We're all looking for someone to tell our dreams to. Uncertainty holding hands with the future. And inadvertently you run right into that special someone. When you quit looking for that good luck charm, you'll be doing much better. And it don't hurt to pray. If you're looking for someone to love every day. Finders keepers, ignore the weeper. They give up on love too soon. We're all looking for someone to tell our dreams to. Don't give up on love. It's right around the corner. Gonna run right into your special someone. Find a sleeper. Ignore the weeper. They give up on love too soon.